Hello drone fans! Today we are reviewing the SMRC S20 Drone. You can probably guess that this drone was made with the DJI Spark in mind. The battery included is 3.7 volts and is supposed to last up to 18 minutes. I was really impressed by the performance of the battery. Next, we will take a look at the remote controller. On the front, we have a button for photos and one for videos. The S20 drone is capable of 3 different speeds. Other features include headless mode and 360 rolls, a phone holder, and a 5-megapixel camera that can be adjusted using your hands. Perhaps the coolest feature of this drone is its foldable design. It folds up to the size of a phone. Now that we're familiar with the drone, let's take it out for a flight.